my name's Michelle, but you probably already knew that. Welcome back to my channel. Today, in the episode of I graduated, I don't have a job because of COVID, we're gonna make a lemon loaf. To be exact, we're gonna make Ina's yogurt lemon loaf. I have some of the ingredients. I didn't want to double the ingredients because I want to give a second one to my friends, but that also means I don't have a lot of the ingredients. So I did the math. I've done the calculations to double the recipe. That also means that I don't have all of the all-purpose flour, so I'm gonna mix whole wheat flour with it. Hopefully. So let's get started. I think I'm backlit, but that's okay. We're gonna start with the dry ingredients first, which is flour, baking powder, and salt in a bowl. So let me do that. Perfect. We got dry here. Put that to the side. Got wet. And how much yogurt do I need? 1 cup, which means 2 cups of yogurt. And 6 eggs, lemon zest, and vanilla. Okay. We have the lemon zest here, which is just like this yellow bit. I don't have a zester, but I could use a grater. So that we're gonna try to problem solve here. I think that might work. What else? It says 3 eggs, so I'll do 6 eggs. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. Hopefully this works. Oh my god, my eyebrows look so bad. That's okay. Ignore. We all look bad in this COVID area. Do you see that? Yeah. The way I learned how to do one crack is from, what's that Disney movie, Eddie Millionaire Cooking Show or something like that, and Bobby Flay was on it, and he was like, you smash it, put your thumb, you hold it, so you claw it, put your thumb in the middle of where you cracked it, and you slowly, I guess, uplift. Okay, this is a bad example, but it still came out, and it's still one-handed, so whatever. Let's try again. That didn't even work. Uh-oh. Now that I'm showing off, it's not working. Okay, anyways. We only need is 11 zest and 2 cups of sugar. So I got the grater. So let's say a little prayer. Okay. And then hopefully this will actually work. I don't know which one to use. Hopefully this works. Oh, I'm scared. Okay. Well, it says 2 teaspoons. Where are my teaspoons at? Okay. So that means 4 teaspoons. And it says about 2 lemons. I don't know. Okay, I'm so scared. Oh my god, I'm so scared I need to pee now. Ooh, okay. Okay, maybe not that side. Maybe... Oh yeah, this side, but I don't think... Ooh, that's not... Okay, hold on. Like this? Or like this? Which way? Oh, you guys, zest is coming out. It's coming out in like this. Oh, this part. Oh, you guys can see it. Okay, yes.
2,000 years later.
I have no idea if you can hear the TV that my mom is listening to, but I zested the lemons. It took way longer than it should have. I don't know how long, too long. Now it's like a yellow batter. And I think it says now to slowly whisk dry ingredients into the wet. Excuse me, I just burped. That was gross. Okay. Hopefully this worked. So what I'm now going to do is just line these at the bottom a little bit and then rub vegetable oil on the corner so it doesn't stick. And then pour them and then pop them into the oven. You can barely see when I'm talking. I'm like a little measle. I'm not a measle, a weasel. They were fully like not baked inside, but on the outside like it crusted. So maybe I'm thinking 10 minutes. I don't know if you can see. Oh no, you totally can't see that. Yeah, it's not crummy at all. It's like full on liquid. Yep, the thing's already absorbed it. So I guess we have to wait another maybe 10 minutes, and then hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll actually be baked and not burnt. Ooh. And that is it. So I pulled them out of the aluminum thingy. I forget what you call them. Aluminum tin. And I'm going to add it's not a drizzle, it's like a soak, which I thought it was a drizzle, but I don't have icing sugar to make the drizzle, but that's okay. So then that's what I'm gonna do. And that is it. That was the lemon loaf. I know yogurt lemon loaf. It basically took me all afternoon. It's now it's almost 3 o'clock. It's the zest. The zest really took a very long time. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure to go follow me on my Instagram because that's where I put out most of my content. And I'll see you guys in another video, which will probably be soon because I have no work. So what else am I gonna do? Bye!